What is email marketing? Email marketing is using email to build relationships with your audience. With a proper email marketing communication flow, you can send relevant information and convert prospects into customers. People who are interested in your product or service can join your email list and, through email marketing communication, learn everything they need to know to make an informed buying decision. If you build your email list with your target audience, people who can benefit from your products or services, you can be sure that email marketing will become a significant revenue stream for your business. Email marketing has been in use long before the World Wide Web, which makes email marketing the first online marketing channel. Email marketing has been around for a long time, and it continues to lead the pack when it comes to ROI.